Hi, this tutorial will cover the basics of creating a folder in Google Drive. So you'll want to be in drive.google.com. You will select New and then select Folder. From here you're going to name your folder and click Create. Once you have done that, there's a few things. I want to look at the menu options for your folder. So you can see my folder section here. You can right click on it and you'll have options of what to do with it. If you have additional apps that you've linked to your Google Drive, you might see something over here. Kami is a PDF viewer and editor, in case you're wondering what that is, but you can also connect other apps. You can share your folder from here. This shares the entire folder, not just the file, the files. This is something that we'll talk about a little bit more in depth in another little webcast for you. You can also get a link if you want to share it through a link. This button allows you to move your folder, so if you want to move it to a different location, when you click on that, you can move it within another folder if you'd like. So you can see you move it wherever you want. You just click on it and then click the plus sign to move it there, or add a new folder, and move it there by clicking on the blue. In addition to that, you can star your folder, so if it's something that you're going to use a lot, and if you have a folder within a folder that you're going to use a lot especially, you might want to star it, because then you can come over here and see those things really quickly and easily. You don't have to search through everything for them. One thing I like to do to kind of set things apart from other folders is to color code them. You can do that from this section. You can name your folders here. Notice it is going to move it because it does arrange it alphabetically. In addition to that, you can view the details. Now this one won't have much as far as details since it is a blank empty folder that I just created. You can just see that there's been no activity within it, and it was created on today at 2:24. I'm going to get out of that and go into one that would actually have some details. So going to this folder, it will show you all the details of when items were created within that folder or edited. You'll also be able to see when this folder was created and the last time it was actually opened. So just some neat information. You can also see in this section if you have it shared with someone. That's in here as well. So this one doesn't have it shared with anyone. However, if I go up here to this EdTech one, you can tell it's shared because there's a little person on it. If I go into details, I'll be able to see who's the owner and then anyone else. So this one was shared out with a link, so anyone that has the link can view it. Also, since this one was shared and I didn't create it, I don't have the ability to rename this. I can do the other things, but I just want you to notice that I cannot rename it since it was created by someone else. So going back to my test folder here, other things that I can do, I can download the contents directly to the computer that I'm working on, or I can remove the folder, which will remove your stuff inside of it as well. So I'm going to get rid of it since I don't need it. So that's just a very quick overview of the folders. I hope that helps.